So here is some new fantastic feature on Spotify. It's called Daylist. So what is that? So you can first of all just find it by searching Daylist. If you just go and search Daylist here, you will find it in your Spotify library. And then this is the playlist made for you and how it's different from other types of playlists on Spotify. So in Spotify you also have very popular Discover Weekly, which updates every Monday, once per week. Then you have daily mixes, which are updated basically like every day, I guess. And Daylist is updated every few hours. So this is kind of a new type of playlist on Spotify, which updates every few hours depending on your like mood. Yeah, of course, it is based on your listening history and activities. So if Spotify sees that, for example, you are listening to dance music during evening and you're listening to meditation music during the morning, so Daylist will generate more meditation recommendations in the morning, and then also it will generate more dance music in the evening. So yeah, that's the idea of it. And then you can just go and see some nice details how to find and share playlists. So it's only available in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand, Ireland at the moment. It will be available to more countries soon. And then, yeah, on the desktop, you can just simply search Daylist, or you can find it in Made For You hub. You can also make a copy of the playlist and add to playlist, because this playlist is just being updated every few hours, so that's why it's important to save it. Also, you can just share it. It has some nice sharing cards. You can just create a screenshot of your Daylist and just create a social media sticker and all of that. So yeah, pretty cool feature. It's quite different from Discover Weekly. And you will get new tracks at every update, new title that sets the mood of your playlist. Yeah, pretty cool. So you can just see some previews here. If you just create a Spotify account, it's not gonna work because it requires a lot of listening history for you to generate some nice recommendations. So it can be empty, as it is for me. It just says listen to music to unlock your Daylist. But yeah, so that it is. Try it out.